regular, no? Wow. Ang galing ng mga batang to, nasa taas talaga sila nakaupo. Ayan. Guys, please to connect to ano po, JR Watawa TV guys. Ito ang kanyang link So marami po pong ano dito. Marami po pang ayuda yan si Sir JR. Charot. JR Watawa TV guys. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsilip, Sir JR Watawa TV. Ayan po. Chandigarh, done to you my friend ha. So okay, later I will give you another one. I hope I could. Check natin. Thank you so much, Sisi. It's okay. It's alright. Sisi Mives, maraming salamat. Ayan, Sisi Samook, mag-ready ka na ng iyong ano dyan, Sisi ko. 15 minutes na lang ako, Sisi. Ayan, sasaktuhin ko lang yan ng ano, sis, ng 2 hours. And mag-i-end na po si Inday. So, salamat sa inyong mga paharang dyan, guys. Sa inyong patamsak paharang. Ayan, Chandigarh. Please to connect to Sisi Ami Jimenez. She will give you 1,000. Ayan, ma'am, tambay lang. Opo, sige lang po. Maraming salamat po, Sir JR. Still watching po sa iyong ano, larong kaliseri. Ayan, nakaano pa lang ako. 2 minutes pa lang po ang nakakalipas. Ayan. Ayan. Chandigarh, please to connect to Miss Ami Jimenez, my beautiful and sexy friend. So you could give 1,000. She could give you 1,000. Agad-agad sisilapag 1,000. Ganon. Ayan. So hindi pa guys, dikit kay JR Watawa TV guys. Ayan, malaki ang kanyang bahay, 38,000, 1,000. Ayan. Ami Jimenez done support. Ayan, napagod ako. Hahaha. Please support me, Ami, to complete my 1K subscribers. Ako kayang-kaya. Panis. Panis yan, panis. And also to Orira 96, she will give you back her support later. They are only eating their lunch and having their dinner with their family. So a little wait. Pakas lang po, mamaya ako magbalik, pahinga lang. Ayan. So Chandigarh, just leave a comment. Please leave a comment to Sis Ami Jimenez. She will give you some. Okay? Thank you so much. Ayan. And bakit nag-iba na yung gitara ni CCDND dun sa taas? Oh, may gitara na. Pahingi nga no, CCDND yung gitara, amin na lang. Oh. Okay, Sisi. Ayan. Thank you so much, Chandigarh. Always please stay connected. Ayan, for another watch. Ayan. Later 211. Ayan. And JR Watawa TV. Salamat guys sa didikit, sabi ni Sir JR. Ayan. Dikit na pala ako kay Chandigarh Rider. Ayan. Ayan. Meron pa dyan. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Ayan po. I only understand English is Ami. That's why I am translating to English what she was saying there. Go to her live, Chandigarh. Chandigarh, you are connected already to Sisi Ami Jimenez. She is connected also with you already. So, ano sabi? Okay. Comment done, Ami. Ayan. Sisi Samook, maraming salamat. Gaya ka na, Sisi Samook. Ikaw nang next. Ayan. Sisi Kripa Suba, thank you so much. Meron ka bang bagong upload, Sisi? Ayan. So, mag-highlight tayo, guys. Chandigarh, also connect to you. Sabi na.